Yes, you can use Amazon FBA to ship eBay orders automatically. Here's how to do it in 2025. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So with Amazon MCF to eBay, when somebody orders your item on eBay, as long as you have it on Amazon, Amazon automatically gets notified, ships it to the customer, and automatically puts in the tracking number on eBay for you. So it's an amazing way to generate sales on eBay and have Amazon do all of the shipping. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you want to do is log into your Amazon account and make sure you have FBA inventory available. As you can see right here, we've got none available, so we need to wait for our FBA inventory to become available, right? Once this is available, then you're going to create the listing on eBay and make sure that it has the same SKU right here. So these are the same listing, but this is eBay now, and you can see the SKU right here, and you can see the SKU, it says BioTrust 1000 count, and the SKU on Amazon has it's exactly the same, right? So make sure the SKUs are exactly the same, and then create that listing, right? Once you create the listing, now it's time to go to the next step and actually get that connection going. You're going to go to Google and then Google Map My Channel, and it should show up number one, mapmychannel.com. If it doesn't show up, then you can type in Map My Channel WebB and it should show up. But this is it right here. So you're going to open this and it's going to look like this. Manage multiple platforms from a single dashboard. Right? You can see there's Amazon connecting it to all these different platforms, and then you're simply going to click login. Now it is free, which is awesome. And then you're going to click sign up. There's a sign up button at the bottom. Click sign up, and then sign in. And then all you're going to do is connect your eBay account. So click on eBay, connect your eBay account. And in this second tab, you're going to connect your Amazon account. So just go through all of those settings and then set that up 100%. Once it's fully set up, then it's going to look something like this. You're going to be able to log in and you're going to see your eBay account at the top, then your Amazon account at the bottom, right? Make sure they're all turned on, match my exact settings right here. So that way your orders are syncing, your inventory syncing, and your tracking syncing, your order inventory and tracking syncing. Price sync is up to you. If you wanted to have the same exact price as Amazon, that's up to you. But this pretty much turning these on, that just shows you that when somebody orders on eBay, Amazon automatically gets notified. Once Amazon has the tracking number, they automatically push it through to eBay. So this is awesome. Make sure you click on manage your mappings, go through all of the settings in green here, just to make sure everything is up to date for you, right? Depending, you can have a different shipping speed, make sure everything's good to go for you. Next is going to be doing a test order. So to do a test order, you just log into eBay and you have a friend. Don't do it yourself, because if eBay finds out you're ordering your own item, they might suspend you, right? So that's why I always have a friend that doesn't live with me do a test buy on my eBay account. So they'll do a test buy and purchase the product. And then what we'll do is we'll wait and see if Amazon ships it out and everything automatically goes through. What you're going to do is go to Orders tab in here and you're going to see the order pop up. If it says accepted, that means it's pretty much going to do everything for you. It's going to be automatic. If it says rejected, then you need to see why it was rejected and set it up properly, right? But it's pretty easy to do. And then you can view it on Amazon, see the order, see the tracking. And again, Amazon automatically plugs in, well, this tool takes the tracking number from Amazon and then plugs it into eBay. So that way you kind of can just sit back and relax while everything works out on its own, right? So again, it's pretty awesome. And that's kind of how you do it step by step. If you wanted a full detailed step by step, you can go to our website in the description, go to courses, and then you're going to see all these different courses. We have an Amazon to eBay multi-channel course. And you can see right now we've got a few students, and it has a step by step on how to do it with in-depth details. But this video should give you the overview. If you really want to learn and do it yourself, you can do it yourself. But if you want a super in-depth overview, of course, I have a little course for that. That took a lot of extra time and energy, and that's why we have a course that's charged. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon or eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon or eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon or eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. A very popular service that we offer is Amazon and eBay management. This is where we manage your Amazon account, make sure sales are increasing. We'll do your design, your SEO, your A+ content, remove fakes. We'll also do the same exact thing on eBay and connect this platform to you, for you, and manage it to make sure everything is running smoothly and you're generating sales on both platforms. This is going to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.